Hi, once again, welcome to this channel. And if you're new to this channel, we talk about many different things. And for now, we have started on our tutorials of Shotcut. And in today's video, I've started to show you how to create a subscribe button and add it to your video in Shotcut. And so let's go directly. So as you can see right now, I have opened Shotcut, a Shotcut video editor. And the first step is they'll ask you to show the name of your project. So let me first show you the type of shortcut I'm using. About shortcut, I'm using the latest version, and this is the version of 2023. It is 23.05.04.14, and this is the latest version. It is July this month. It was produced this month, so I just recently updated it. So how to add the subscribe button. So they will first ask you for the name. How to add a subscribe button to a video. So after that, you click here start. Now the next step is that you're going to come here and you choose the video you're going to edit, or you are going to add a subscribe button on. So let me choose from here, and let me maybe choose this one here. So when I play the video, so let me first add on here the volume so that maybe you can hear. But this one has already been added. There's already a subscribe button added. So I want to only pick a video which has not yet got a subscribe button. Let me choose another one from here. Let me choose, which video can I choose from here? Let me go to another folder and I choose a video I can use. Let me open this one here. So this is the video, and right now I'm playing it. So that is the video I'm going to add a subscribe button to. So I'm going to make it short because this is just a tutorial video. I'm going to show you just how to add it. So I'm just shorten. Let me first shorten this video to the fullest. Something like that, and I'll bring it to the timeline. And after bringing it to the timeline, let me just break it from here because actually this one is a very long video. So here it is. A video has been brought to the timeline. So when you're adding the text to your video, we have two different ways you can add a text. One of them is creating, when you're going to add a subscribe button to your video, the first way is that creating your subscribe button using Shotcut itself, or another way, and the easiest way, is that downloading videos green screen videos which already have subscribe button in them. So let me also bring these two green screen videos. I downloaded it from the internet. As you can see, this one is the first one which has subscribe, like, and share, and another one is here. This is also a green back screen, a green one of a subscribe button like this one here, as you can see. So these are the videos I can use to put a subscribe button to my to add a subscribe button to my video, which is this. So I'm going to first start with the hardest. It's not hard, but okay, the way which you can create it using Shotcut. The first step is that you click on your video. You pick your video, and then you come here and you look for where there is something called filters, and it will be added automatically here to this bar. And then you remember that you have already chosen your video, and the next step is that adding there, and then you search for the word text. So after searching for text, you come here and you choose text simple. So it will bring something like this on your screen, and you remember that you want your subscribe button to be somewhere here. You see, your subscribe button to be somewhere there, and the word obviously it should be subscribe. So the word has already been written. So which size of the subscribe button do you want? It can be something like that. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. So as you can see, my word subscribe is already there. It's already here. So another thing is that, so you can come here and choose here. You remember that the subscribe button always has a red background. So you come here to background where there is text, and you choose a red background. So I have my subscribe button with a red background, and here's where we're going to change the italics of your words. So let me just put here to bold, and I'll see how it will look like. Subscribe button, it will look like that. And let me first reduce on some of this. Let me see how it looks like. You see, I've already added a subscribe button to my channel, and you can also add here something called padding. This helps this subscribe button to have sharp corners. And another thing will be that you can add here. You remember this one is called you can add here the outline of your words. Let me say that I want my outline to be this color, and when I choose it, I can add the outline of my words. Let me put it at that, and I see. So you can see that my subscribe button has already been created. You see? So that is the subscribe button. Now you remember that in most cases you want your subscribe button to be at the end of the video. So let me just, I select here and I cut, and this is the button which is used for cutting. Or you can come here like this to edit and then split, to split this video into two, and then you choose this other big one, and on the other big one you choose that you don't want this text to appear on the big one. So that means that the subscribe button will start showing when it comes to this one here. So let us start watch and we see. The subscribe button will appear by itself. That's the easiest way to create a subscribe button on your video. Now another way is that you can add here something called, you add here another video track on your timeline, and this one, the shortcut for this is Ctrl+I. So you add it on, they'll create you another timeline which is like this, and you come here to play, and you choose one of your subscribe button. Let me say that one, and also this one you got from the internet. And let me bring it in there, and you see I brought it to a timeline. On this next video, on the second timeline you have just brought in. You see? So let me play my video and you see. So you can see that the subscribe button has covered the whole of my video, and I don't want it to cover the whole of my video. So what should I do? I come here and I choose this. I select the subscribe the video, and I come here to filters. And when I go to filters, I say that add. I place here add, and you search for Chroma Key simple. But me, I had put it in my favorites, so let me just choose it. When you choose Chroma Key simple, obviously it will bring this green color like this. The green will disappear, and the video will somehow look like this. So the main another way is that this video here, it is appearing like it had a green background. You can see that the padding here is somehow green. So what you need to do is come here like this, and you choose this one here, and you come and click here. I know I have done it badly. I have clicked on the white color. You must click on somehow green color. You can see that now the green padding has actually reduced on size. Or you do like something like that, and you reduce on the size. And this one will also help you to reduce also the transparency of the subscribe button, or increase it. So something like that. And I have my words, and the bell itself, it has a background which is natural, which is behind me. So let me play this video and you see. So as you can see, that is the subscribe button, but you do not need your subscribe button to be somewhere here. So what you need to do is come here, select this video again, and then you come here and you search for something called size and rotation, position and rotation. But for me here, I already have it here, so let me just click on it in my favorites because I normally use it. And when you slope down here and you come here and you say that distort, and that means that you're going to distort this subscribe button to somewhere you want it to be. Okay, somewhere you want it to be, and you can also carry it. This is positioning the subscribe button to the place you want it to be. So let me see. You see, I put a subscribe button here, and so you follow the same steps when you are doing. And the second subscribe button has also done what? Has also appeared. So I would also like you to subscribe to this channel if you have enjoyed the video and this information has been so useful to you. I would also like you to ask you to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thanks so much for watching. So I'm going to bring another episode about shortcut editing. So let me just try to expand here the player so that you guys can see what we have been editing. So let me just start the video from here and you see. There was a secret chord that David played and pleased the Lord. You see the subscribe button has appeared, and after that another subscribe button is going to appear here. You see the subscribe button with the padding, so it will be according to how you want to create your video. Thanks for watching.